Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I've just finished chest with abs. I'm feeling pretty exhausted right now. Chest is pumped, boobies are full, and my room is a mess because we are moving into the office. Just look at this, like it just feels so weird and so hollow. All the stuff is there. We've got whiteboards over there that's going to go up. We're going to be moving in. I won't be able to get too much content whilst moving in because I want to focus of just setting up this New Year's Day today. And in this video, I'm going to be mainly talking about risk element in prop firms. So now from moving forward, the vlogs have been getting really good traction from you guys. So what I'm going to do is in each vlog, I'm going to be focusing on a nugget. Let's just refocus, and that nugget is basically something to help you along with this journey. So this is going to be around 52 episodes, maybe even more than that in terms of this year's vlog. Each episode has a specific topic that we're going to talk about that would elevate your trading, or well, actually what elevated my trading, my experiences, and how I overcame them. And today's video we're going to be mainly talking about the risk element and the risk approach that I have. So I've actually got 3 risk plans on a beginner, intermediate and advanced. I'm also going to be sharing a funding plan template for a beginner, intermediate and advanced, and this is all shared in our winner circle program, but I'm just going to put it in a more diluted version for you guys on YouTube during this vlog. So maybe we'll do like a webinar template, but for now let's get to some day in the life shit. And yeah, I'm going to be just setting up the office, so I'll try and get what I can, but I'll probably, the next clip you're going to see is we'll be in the office tomorrow. Yo, wait, what's going on, peeps? And we're back in the office. I'm back in the vlog. So there's like a communal area here where we can eat. There's like water and coffee there, and they're moving in the sofa today, which is pretty cool. So our spaces, and it says offices for everyone, even if your company is limited to one. Limited to, well, actually we've got quite a big team. So every morning get this coconut flat white, you know the deal, and also this breakfast. And when we go in the office, show you around. They're moving the sofa in as well, so I'll try and show you before and then after. And then also I'm going to be talking about, and then I'll go into the risk aspect, and then I have a workout tomorrow, I put that in and explain stuff. So pretty cool and chill vlog, and I hope you guys are enjoying it so far.
That's why I didn't want to teach. I thought Mondays and Wednesdays to commit time.
This is
time is a thing.
That's it, time is a thing. Day 2, man.
Day 2.
This is how it's going to be starting off. And then watch, we'll have like a 20-man office one day.
It's coming up. It's coming up. I'm excited. I'm actually buzzing for this one.
Look at this, like Korea's just so simplistic. My setup, look at me. I went from one, but I put another one back in. We got all the desks there, all my books, got my iPad to journal. We're obviously going to use this to do the risk assessment today. And then that's going to go up. They're putting in the sofa in today. Cabinets are coming in now, so me and Comey have one because, like he says, we're the big dogs.
Yes, sir.
And then these are just like hot desks for Isaac or any of our team as well, like Anton, Michael, Renner, Martin, anyone who wants to come and use it. And then this is like the chill space or like the brain space. And then we're going to be putting all the certificates that we have. So we've got FTMO, the Funded Trader, True Forex Funds, Alpha Capital, My Forex Funds, My Funded FX. That's 6. Who else is there? I'll get SFT soon. Fixify as well. Damn, that's 7. And then obviously we've got the FTMO 50k profit split, and then hopefully the 100k profit split coming soon. So once I do the 100k profit split, that's when I do the FTMO video, which like is a massive pinnacle moment. So super exciting times. That's it. So gonna get to work now. My coffee, prep. We've got an hour before the trading session starts for me. Comey just says 2:30 to 2:45. He trades 15 minutes a day, and
pays the bills, keeps me off the street.
Keeps you off the street, keeps you in the penthouse, man. Here we have it. Guys are moving in. Superman, Jesus, mate.
I had another skate, I'll do it, but I haven't.
You've had a protein shake today. And then out with the old, in with the new.
This is going along the window there,
yes,
yeah?
please, yeah. Mind the way. Whoa. I am being no help other than just watching them and filming them. What's going on, Comey?
Out here. We're out here, bro.
Bro, coming 7 bags getting locked in, boy.
No.
Cheers! That's the second trade back. First trade was a loss. Second trade in. If this one hits TP, maybe I think 15k on this trade. And then that will put phase 1 on Fixify quite good. So I'm actually gonna have a full breakdown on all the challenges coming up as well, which is in the funding template webinar, which is coming through. But it's weird to kind of get back into this stream of things, because right now we had basically markets push up this morning. We had a huge push as soon as London opened. We had our retracement, moving averages all crossed over, and then we're back into the Tokyo and Asian session right now, which is now coming to the Tokyo low. And I think that if we break this Tokyo low, which is absolutely melting right now, we'll probably be looking at the 1637 mark if it breaks that support. And then if that's the case, if we go on a higher time frame, we could see a potential reversal in the market structures, because if you look at this high right here, that was exactly the same high as the 14th of December, and we just tapped that and then absolutely just melted, which we can see. Alongside with that as well, we can see on the crypto side of things, they're starting to move. I still do think it's early stages. Today we're up, I think, like 5% on our YOLO portfolio, and I'm going to be increasing that portfolio a little bit more and then updating that all on Telegram. So here is the Telegram for free kind of updates on absolutely everything we're doing. It's a nice view from here. All right, so just finished having a lunch with Isaac, which was pretty nice, and I'm starting to get a slight food coma, but that's why we've got the coffee. So first time filming in this office, and we're going to get straight to it. I'm recording the screen already, and we're going to be talking about the risk parameters. So this is kind of like the most basic risk way. We've got a beginners and an intermediate and advanced. I'm only going to do the beginners and intermediate. The advanced, I just feel like maybe blow your brain away, or maybe a bit too much information, so we're just going to skip that. So first and foremost, this is the 20 challenge rule. Now, why it's called the 20 challenges is basically if you fail 20 trades in a row, you then blow the account. Okay, so how this ultimately works is this based on a 10% drawdown if the company has 10%. If it's 12, then you have more trades. If it's 8%, you have less trades. Go on, guys, you can figure that out. Now, how we can work that out is the first rule of how this works is for all your trades from the first part is going to be 1% risk per trade. Now, if you lose this, so we're going to do the drawdown period first, so hence the risk management and the risk perspective of this this video, and the concept of this video is if you lose 5 trades in a row, that means 5%, right? So if I'm risking 1% per trade and I lose 5 times in a row, that's 5%. Now, if I'm on 5% drawdown, what this does is dynamic risk. If you're in a losing streak, you drop the risk. If you're in a winning streak, you can also increase the risk and put more exposure. This is risk on and risk off. Now, when you risk off, what you want to do here is I would drop the risk to 0.5%. Now, if I lose 5 times again, that's right, 5 trades, this is the 5 trade buffer, then that means I am down a total of 2.5%. So I keep this risk static, but I drop them at each kind of level or each time I hit a milestone on the down or the up period. Now, this is then a total of 7.5%. And then the last 2.5%, what I'm going to do is do 0.25%, and then at 10 trades, that will be 2.5%. Now, from experience, there is no point in dropping the risk any further from 0.25 because it would just take you so long that it potentially is not the right return of investment for your time. It can probably just be better off just starting a new challenge and doing it from there. And that's one of the best things and the best, I think, pros of prop firms is you have that reset button to kind of restart your challenges and take it from there. So this is why it's the 20 trade rule, because if you lose 20 trades completely in a row, you then lose the challenge. Now, how does this work if we go into upside? So say you are in the 3rd phase of your drawdown, but then you're able to increase it, and then now you're only in 5% drawdown. What you then do is then go back up a level, so you do exactly the opposite into the 0.5. You do 0.5. So then if you win 5 trades in a row, or actually even less than that, like say 2 or 3 trades in a row, and then you're up into back to break even, then you can start risking 1% as well. Okay, so the benefit of this is when you're in drawdown, you have a 20 trade kind of buffer, and it's really difficult to get 20 trades losers in a row, but it can happen. It depends on your edge, it depends on your trading. This also helps you protect your capital in the long run. It helps you with the mindset of basically managing your risk. It also helps you with risk off, and it helps you understand dynamic risk. Okay, so this is the intermediate. Now, if you wanted to go up, all I would really do is I really generally only stick to the 1% mark. If I do get into 5% profit, I wouldn't mind adding about 0.5% extra to a trade. So I could potentially do 1.5% per trade and then increase it so I could pass potentially on the next trade. Because if I do, at the moment, I have a 1 to 2R trade ratio. So if I have 1.5%, and then obviously if I hit take profit at 2R, that equals 3%. 5R plus 3% equals 8%, and most obviously companies at the moment are 8% profit target, which means I will pass phase 1. Then on phase 2, sometimes I can do 1% again, which means after 3 trades I would pass phase 2. That's only 3 winning trades, and that's pretty much it. Your equity curve will go up, it will go down. If you keep these risk parameters in and you keep them static, it just makes trading a lot easier, a lot more tangible. You know, in terms of like trading, you know it based on per trade, as opposed to your risk management, the numbers and stuff like that. You just know it from a trade numbers perspective. And this helps mentally in terms of how you kind of approach the market. So before I go into the intermediate risk, which is how I kind of accumulated the 56K in 4 weeks and also got an extra million in challenges, and how I'm approaching challenges with a hybrid of the advanced model, is we've got a winner circle program. So I'm doing webinars on Monday and Wednesday, 12:30 at lunchtime. The recordings are up normally by the end of the week for you guys to watch as well. I'm doing these 2 webinars every single week. You also get the day trading course, swing trading course, you get your own personalized journal, you get everything accountability and the community in our winner circle program. We currently only have 3 slots left, so probably by the time this video is out, it has gone. But I do want to make you aware of it because a lot of people are like, Dan, you have a mentorship? That's right, I do. And this year we are on a mission to help you guys win, because it's you versus you and me versus me. So if you do want to apply for that, waitlist is down below, or I may have opened up another 10 slots. I open up 10 slots at a time because we want to take in 10 traders, really nurture them. And it's not just from trading, we're doing real estate, we've got guest speakers, how you split your payouts, and wealth management for the younger audience as well, how to carry yourself as an individual, how to network, and basically how to be the best version of you. Because, you know, the message I had was I'm the man who I wanted to become. I think now the goal is to help you become the man you want to become. Okay, so let's get back to the video and let's go on to the second phase of the risk. So this is the intermediate. Now this is for people who have, number 1, understand that the proof of concept, right? Because if you're not funded, this goes into a whole nother conversation about how you're approaching your funded challenges. But ultimately, you should have a proof of concept, you should have your strategy, you should have your to-do list, and you should understand everything you're doing. This intermediate is for people who have already funded and proven their concept. So you've already had 1 or 2 payouts, you're a little bit consistent, you just want to scale up, and you've got the skill, but now you just want to increase the money, right? The monetary value. Now this, you want to be able to allocate X amount of money, decide for yourself how much you're going to go into challenges, and have a return of investment on these challenges. So how that would work and how I approach this is I actually risk 2% to 3% per trade, and ultimately if I lose 5 trades, that will be 10% drawdown, right? 5 trades, 5 times 2% equals 10%. I lose the account. So instead of a 20 trade buffer, I lose this in 5. But the benefit of this is risk to reward, right? Now if I'm passing this 2% and then I do 4%, right? If I do 1 to 2R, which is my risk ratio, I basically pass in 2 trades. Then in phase 2, what I then do is I increase to 2.5%, and then 2.5% to 5%, I pass in 1 trade. So the concept for me here is if I have a 3 trade winning streak, I pass the funded challenge. That is it. I keep the risk dynamically set. So on the phase 1 it's 2%, on phase 2 it's 2.5%. So on phase 2 I do adjust. When I'm in 5% drawdown, I will drop the risk to 2% and 1% because the opportunity is much higher and the cost of the challenge is more important because I'm in phase 2. Because if I pass phase 2, I get the live account, I get the refund, and that's so much closer than passing phase 1. Because phase 1 is generally harder. You have to make 10%, 8%, depending on the company and the structure. So really and truly, it's that simple. That's how I do it. I run through these challenges and just go through them, securing my payouts and taking it from there. So let me know what you guys think. This is a complete different type of a video, and I'm also actually going to end the vlog here and just give some final thoughts. But ultimately, this is how I'm running these challenges. Let me know if this information was helpful, what else you would like to see on each of these series. I've been seeing your comments. You want to see some chart breakdowns? That's fine. I'm going to do some more charts. You want to see some educational stuff as much as entertaining and vlogging vlog lifestyle, which is fine. So things like this, a sit down, a screen recording, sharing you and learning and earning is what I'm going to implement alongside with the vlogs. And it's going to be, I'm trying my best to do one vlog per week alongside with one video. So at the moment, every video is changed in 2024, which will be Tuesday and Saturday, and it will be uploaded around at 12 o'clock. So there's a premiere, and we will be doing giveaways coming this year, like very big giveaways. We've got 2 MacBooks coming. I'm going to be doing some mentorship giveaways as well. So I'm going to actually call you, coach you for free. That's it. All you have to do is participate and show that you want it. I'm willing to give an opportunity, but opportunities favors those who work for it. So you have to work for it. We will have a giveaway on challenges, MacBooks, iPhones, money, cash giveaways. I'll fly you out, meet you. This year is going to be a big year for our YouTube channel, and the goal is 100k subscribers. So appreciate you guys. Happy New Year. That's pretty much it. The final thing I'm going to do is just show you the office at its final stages, because we've got our table, we've got the sofa in, and we've got the whiteboards which are coming up, and certificates and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you so you can see the kind of concepts where it's at, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Help us blow ourselves up and take us to the next level. Peace out. So hope you guys enjoyed that bit. So the outro is here. We've got the sofa that's in now. We've got a little coffee table that we can work with. These whiteboards will go up. We've got Isaac there working away. We've got what's going on, bro?
Cool, bro. What's going on?
They have their channel coming in soon as well. Comey's sitting there, but he's slacking off. He's gone to have a party at Starbucks. and then this is where I work. And if you guys remember from the old days, any OG followers, that's that. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.